All right, so this is good for all levels, but specifically white belts. So coaches, teach your white belts this right here and you'll make an army of back takers. Okay, so I'm gonna start here, right? So let's assume I've already passed guard, but this is what we want. We want the focus to be on the back and making that connection. Okay, so I'm gonna start here, I'm gonna push the leg over, reach in, grab here. Okay, so this works gi or no gi. I'm taking a slop hand grip and I'm putting my chest tight against the back. Okay, now I'm gonna replace the knee with the hand. See how I pushed them forward even more? I wanna make sure that I'm claiming the space on the back. I'm gonna bring this hand as an underhook around. I can clasp under the hand, over the hand, it doesn't matter as long as I'm making that tight, romantic, right? Like, I really want him to know I care, right? Make sure the foot's pummeled in, bring this up to the hip, pull them back, get the hook on the other side, okay? Make sure you end nice and tight right here, okay? This is just for claiming the back, right? Because from here, it doesn't seem like I'm close to the back, but this, like the best back takers that I see, they see the back everywhere, okay? So that's what the focus of this is. Start here, boom. If the back's exposed, you can take it, right? So once you push that leg, I'm right here. Now I still feel like really far away, but as long as I'm keeping that pressure, his only option, if he wants to escape when I claim this space, is to roll up that way, which it's gonna give me even more time to get the back. So I'm here, knee, collect the hands, boom, back control. Subscribe and buy this beautiful gi.